Happy New Year! I hope you had a fantastic holiday season. Welcome to Lake Lawn Resort. This is the oldest resort in the state of Wisconsin, going back to 1878. I'll share a little information about this place, but I did a full video on it, and I've got it linked in the description of this video. We've got a room here with a loft. This is really a neat looking room here. I love this design. It's like a North Woodsy, almost, I wouldn't say cabin feel, but definitely a North Woodsy Wisconsin feel. Yeah, they're renovating the place though, so it's going to have a whole new theme. And here we are upstairs on the upper loft as my kids were debating who sleeps upstairs and who gets one of the extra beds downstairs with snoring dad here. So they've got a little restroom up here, as you can see. This video, by the way, is going to be very different than my typical vlog, so just wanted to share with you our little weekend getaway here to Lake Lawn Resorts before we jump into another fantastic year of fun vlogs. Love the size of this room. Those are two queen beds down there, and then you got the two singles up here. And they've got almost 300 rooms here at Lake Lawn Resort. They also have a conference center with 22 meeting rooms, 3 restaurants, a gift shop, a golf course, driving range. They've got their own airport here, believe it or not. A marina, 3 pools, a game room, a spa. It's all here at Lake Lawn Resort, which is right next to Lake Geneva, by the way. Not too far from the Milwaukee area. Looking out of our patio here, I know it's hard to see. I'll show you a better shot here when there's some daylight, but that's Delavan Lake in front of us. So this is a great view of the lake. Try and zoom in here a little bit. There is somebody out there on a boat fishing. Welcome to Wisconsin. Fishing never ends here. And no, that's not ice fishing yet. That is regular fishing. The water was not frozen when we went. We went the weekend before Christmas 2023. I kind of had this video tucked away on a shelf, and as I'm working on some refreshing and branding changes here on the channel and getting ready for some fun stuff, I wanted to pull this out and just kind of share with you. It's definitely one of our go-to places, one of our favorite places. We go to this resort all the time. I love this bathroom. Isn't that a great look with the tile? The tubs in the bathrooms, they have little jets in them, almost like your own little hot tub. And I think, if I recall, because we've stayed in so many rooms, they've all have had those. So I think you get like a hot tub feature in your bathtub in every room. I'm kind of doing things a little bit backwards here. So when you first get to the resort, this is their main lobby. And like I said, we came here the weekend before Christmas, so you can see they're all decked out for the holidays, and the place just looks beautiful. Wait till you see the courtyard. I'll show you that here shortly, but just a beautiful lobby here. This is not a paid endorsement. We did not get a free night stay for Lake Lawn to be on the channel. I don't do commercials for people. It's just simply a place we go to all the time, and I'm just sharing our getaway weekend with you here at Lake Lawn Resort. And it's definitely not a Holiday Inn, you can see. I love that fireplace, and my daughter fell in love with the couches. It's just so cozy here. You just don't see many of these resorts that exist anymore. If you enjoy seeing unique hotels and reviews on hotels, well then please give this video a thumbs up. They kind of have 2 courtyards here. This would be like the smaller one. Not too far from the lobby, a little Santa house there for the holiday season. And like I said, if you're into hotels and reviews of restaurants, of course travel, attractions, and fun vlogs, make sure you subscribe to this channel because that's what it's all about. This video, like I said earlier, is very, very different than how I typically do the videos. This is just kind of showing you our weekend getaway here at this resort near Lake Geneva, Wisconsin. And just like last year, coming up this year, a lot more traveling and some fun vlogs, including a lot more of Wisconsin Dells. And if you ever have any questions about myself or suggestions for the channel, well, please feel free to comment in any of the videos or follow me and comment on Facebook and Instagram. This is their bigger courtyard, if you will, like the main courtyard. A lot of the rooms will either face this or the lake. They did a beautiful job decorating for the holidays. This resort has underwent so many ownership changes, especially between 1990 and 2005. And the owners of the property back in 2004, if I recall correctly, embarked on a very ambitious $390 million renovation and redevelopment plan. They put $40 million of renovations into the resort, the rooms, and just did a fantastic job. And now now it's that time again to renovate and a whole new theme. And if you want to see what they're up to, you can always go to their website. Check out this great room. And here we are in the smaller courtyard. You get to check it out in the daytime here. In that great room, by the way, that's one of the original buildings going way back. And if I recall, Glenn Miller has played in there. Lawrence Welk has played in there. I've walked in there. Does that count for anything? Probably not. Here's a view of Delavan Lake from our room. All in all, we have a great time coming here. We'll definitely be back here. Again, we are at the very first resort in the state of Wisconsin, and I did speed this up a little bit as well. Just a beautiful place as they continue to improve and renovate. And like I said, they're working on a whole new theme, kind of a nautical theme, and they've got some pictures of what it's going to look like on their website right now. What if I told you in that lake right there, Delavan Lake, there was a real elephant that was pushed out there in the middle of winter, and then when the ice gave, it kind of sunk in the water? That is true. And that information, plus the history of this place, and so many more interesting facts can be found in my video here on Lake Lawn Resort, which I did a while ago. And not only I have it linked in the description of this video, but I'll have it pop up at the end, so if you want to check that out. It's got a lot of neat history and some really cool facts that you'll want to check out. By the way, those double doors we just saw, that was for the great room. At one time, that was also the main lobby for the hotel. This is their newly updated game room here, and I think they did a fantastic job in here. And over here is their lookout bar and grill, and these corridors, they just go on forever. Over here, back to the lake, over here, the bigger courtyard, if you will, as we head towards the indoor pool area. Coming up to the right over there would be the spa. There is a hot tub way back there to the right. And you know, when my kids were younger, they used to run up and down these corridors like crazy. Just race up and down. Come to think of it, I think my sister and I did that when we were kids and we used to come here. It's just the thing to do if you're a young kid. We love going to Lake Lawn Resort. It's such a neat place. Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. It's travel, attractions, reviews, adventures, all kinds of goofiness. And make sure you click on that bell notification so you know when I upload videos. And you can also follow me for behind the scenes and other fun things on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I have a restaurant review coming up next, and we'll get back into the fun vlogs. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.
Like, comment, and share. Subscribe to the fun. Follow Maverick Hayes on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok.